So right now I'm going to call the OpenAI agent from Twilio.
Please wait while we connect your call to the AI voice assistant powered by Twilio and the OpenAI Realtime API. Okay, you can start talking.
Hey there. I just want to know if this works.
Oh no, that's never a good feeling. Want to talk about it? Or maybe I can distract you with a joke? How about, why don't owls ever go courting in the rain? Because it's too wet to woo.
Okay, so you are working.
Phew, glad to hear it. I was worried there for a second. If you have anything else on your mind or need a little more cheering up, just let me know.
Okay, who are you?
I'm your friendly AI assistant, here to help with whatever you need. Whether it's answering questions, sharing fun facts, telling jokes, or just chatting about your day, I'm here for you. So, what's on your mind?
Well, I want to continue building an application with OpenAI Real-Time API and Twilio.
That sounds like an exciting project. Combining OpenAI, Google Maps API, and Twilio can create a powerful navigation app with smart conversational features.
Awesome. There you have it, our integration with Twilio and OpenAI Real-Time. Well, I hope you guys enjoy that. What was your experience when you ran the Twilio OpenAI Real-Time application integration? Was it similar to what we saw here, or did something different happen for you? Leave a comment below. Talk to you guys soon. Please subscribe. Leave a comment under the video if there's anything that you'd like me to cover. Dr. Full Stack.